بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. My name is Saad Hafiz Maulana, Matic number 1414027, and my partner's name is Ahmed Luqmana. Today, inshallah, we're going to present our FYP project, which is heartbeat classification using machine learning steps. Heart murmur detection is an important step in the cardiac auscultation, and efficient detection of murmurs is important to achieve diagnosis. An abnormal heart murmurs can indicate a serious problem in the heart, which can happen when a person has illness such as anemia and overactive thyroid. Murmurs are unusual heartbeat sounds that can be used in aid to diagnose underlying health problems. Doctors often will not manually perform heart auscultation. That is an attempt to hear these sounds using a stethoscope. This can be inaccurate as these murmurs are very subtle and can be muffled by background noises. Plus, it requires training and the skill is easily lost if not practiced. It also requires having an appointment with the doctor, which is time consuming and sometimes inefficient. However, when successfully performed, it can provide valuable insights about the heart of a about the heart of functionality of a patient. And these murmurs can be either innocent, which are safe, or abnormal heart murmurs, which are abnormal heartbeat. Doctors have many ways of detecting these signs, and one of them being heart auscultation. This method relies on identifying the various heartbeat sounds and figuring out a will of heart from a problematic one. Despite being a common and major tool in early detection, this technique deeply relies on the individual skills of a listener, which is in this case would be the doctor. Though even when trained ears, errors still can occur, often leading to second and third attempts. Murmur detection is the cornerstone of diagnosis of congenital heart diseases, and thus it is significantly important to have the ability to diagnose patients at the early stages so that doctors can deal with these diseases. Detecting relevant symptoms and forming a diagnosis is a skill that requires years to acquire and refine. However, AI has the ability to represent these interpretations in a more constant and attractive way, and an intelligent stethoscope with decision support abilities would be a great value. This project focuses on implementing supervised machine learning, especially multi-frequency capsule coefficient, to solve previously mentioned problem statements. And the main objectives are as follows: to segment the systolic and diastolic phases of heartbeat, to identify the heartbeat sounds as is mixed with the background noises, to classify the abnormal heart sounds with murmurs present from the normal ones. As far for the methodology part, we have followed the machine learning steps, which are data collection. The dataset was obtained from Kaggle with the name of heartbeat sounds, and the data was collected from two sources, which are the first one being from the general public via iStethoscope Pro iPhone app, and the second one is from clinic trial in hospital using the digital stethoscope Digiscope. That dataset consists of 832 audio sounds that differ from 1 second to 30 seconds. And the second step is to pre-process the data. The third step is to feature extraction, and using mid-frequency capsule coefficient, we have extracted the sound features of the sound using onset detector and onset backtrack and onset string. The fourth step is to choose a model, and we have chosen a long short-term memory (LSTM), as it uses gated units in its hidden layer, which help decide what information should be passed to the next unit. The fifth step is training, and the sixth step is to evaluate the model, and the seventh step is to parameter tuning, and the last step is prediction test. And that's all for me and my partner Ahmed. Inshallah, will continue with the conclusion and the result. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. My name is Ahmad Lukman bin Muksal Mina, and my metric number is 1716285. And I'll proceed with the conclusion of our research and a showcase of our results. Based on the World Health Organization, cardiovascular diseases are the #1 cause of death globally, taking an estimated 17.9 million lives each year. CVDs, or cardiovascular diseases, are a group of disorders of the heart and blood vessels, including coronary heart disease, cerebrovascular heart disease, rheumatic heart disease, and other conditions. Early detection of heart disease is important in preventing heart-related mortalities. Through our research, we have gained promising results in utilizing a long short-term memory model in order to detect heart murmurs. Now, these heart murmurs are useful in early detection of heart disease by using heart auscultations. I think we're familiar with the image of a doctor performing heart auscultations using their stethoscope. Now, with further optimizations or use of improved algorithms, there is potential for these heart auscultations to be done automatically, increasing our chances of early heart disease detection. As you can see here, there's a graph of prediction and accuracy, and the results of this research show that the model has a training score of 70%, a test score of 68%, and a validation of 70%. As you can see, after around 100 epochs, there wasn't much increase in validation accuracy. And despite being fairly good results, in order for this model to be applied in real-world situation, we have to improve on it. Hopefully, with further improvements in algorithm techniques and machine learning models, and also an increase in computation power, plus an increase in heartbeat datasets, we can hope to see a future where processes like these can be automated by utilizing machine learning. That's all from me and my partner. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.